I'm Chris and this is my BISSELL Little Green Pro review part 2 video. So it's September 2nd, the end of summer, and look how nasty this truck gets during Texas summers. So this is a 240,000 mile Tacoma. Look how nasty the seat is. This is not urine or feces or throw up or anything like that. This is just coffee, water bottles. I drink a lot of water. I'm in the utility business, so you either sit in your truck when you get called out and wait for the rain to stop, or you run out there soaking wet, come back in your truck. That's what all this is. I don't drive my truck with no shirt on, anything like that. So it's just dirt, dust that we're trying to clean, and I think we're going to be able to make these seats look brand new. 2017 Tacoma still looking like a new truck. So this is almost a 250,000 work truck. The passenger seat does not ever get ridden in, but you can see it has embedded dust, stuff like that. This seat's never been cleaned before. All right, so it's been raining out here all day. I couldn't show that one being done, but that was the driver dirty, nasty seat. You need to pull the seats out, get them out here in the daylight so you can see everything wrong with them, and take a look at the passenger seat that didn't look that bad when it was in the truck. So I'm going to go in and share with you what I've learned on that seat right there. See that? That's not wet right here. That's just a nasty, oily, greasy stain from 6 years of rubbing up against it. I don't know. Got the headrest not looking too bad. I can't really tell if the pre-treatment does anything, but go ahead and attack your areas first. Now you're going to have to get over your fear of this seat getting wet. This seat is going to be completely wet, soaked, but you have the vacuum to dry it off the best you can. You can see it's raining out here, and we're going to give these a good vacuum before we go inside. Nail brush. What I found out on the Little Pro, you're gonna have this carpet cleaning one and just a general use one. Use the carpet cleaning one first and go over the hose seat with this one first, I promise you. And this is just like cleanup. This is the soap that I'm using. The lid is marked 2 ounces. Every time you fill up your Little Pro, the tank on it, you use 1 cap. See, made for portable carpet cleaners. Working really good so far. And focus on the stains. That's all you're worried about. We already know that areas like that are going to clean up. It's areas like this. Focus on the stains. Remember to overcome your fear of getting this seat wet. Don't worry about it. It's going to get wet. This one, it says to keep it on the carpet because it's going to spray. Check this out. It'll spray you in your face. Be careful. See, we're trying to scrub it. Look at that. It's almost gone instantly. This is the first attempt to get rid of this stain. I'm not faking this video. Look at that. All right, let's vacuum it out. You're looking for the water to be as white as possible. If it's yellow, you're gonna have to keep repeating. Right, check the color. See, it's almost white. Overcome your fear of getting your seat wet. Look, no fear, wet. Stain right there that we missed. Let's just hit it one time, scrub it. As you can see, our stain is pretty much gone. We're gonna go in and hit that one more time. More stains down here. So you get the idea. You're just gonna go over the hose seat like that. Pretend you're a washer machine. Just keep going over it till the water clears up. So we've done the main scrubbing on it. It's looking so much better. Let's empty our nasty bucket out. So then you're gonna have your dirty water tank. I already emptied it earlier. You're gonna flip this around, open it. Look at that nasty water. I told you it was dirt and not feces. I guess feces could look like that, right? Bye-bye. What the heck? Okay, so we're gonna rinse this off really good when we're done, but we're not done yet. Go ahead and lock this back in place. Clean these little filter thing off. Shove it down. Done. Okay, we're gonna go put hot water in this. You do it upside down. It's got a line right there. 2 ounces. Let's look at the other cleaning head on there. Just push the button. We're at to wash all this off when we're done. See all that dirt in there? So this one's going to fit in there a little bit different. I like to use this one to go in there, clean all that stuff up, and just go over it a second time. See? Take it on the bottom. Yeah. There's no smoke and mirrors in this video. So this seat, I only spent about 30 minutes on it. You can see it still has some dirt in there. This truck is not going to anybody. It's going to become a spare truck because it has a lot of miles on it. That seat did take me almost 2 hours to do. I had to go over it a few times. And you see how it turned out. My mind is actually blown right now. I didn't think it was going to be that clean. Looks nothing like it did earlier. It looked really nasty. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I had a seat cover on it and I did not want to sit on it earlier. I ripped the seat cover off last night to prep it, and I just took a shower and I didn't want to sit on it, not gonna lie. So I am very, very pleased with these seats. I'm very, very pleased with this machine right here. You can use this machine for anything, and just remember that if that stuff is in really good condition, just a little bit dusty, you saw us run over that real quick in 5 minutes, did that one, and it looks pretty good. Do not store your machine like that. Please don't do that. Even this kind of stuff cannot be stored like that. Everything here has to be washed off. Look at that, dirty just from using it. Look at the hose. What the heck? All right, so the carpet up there, that freaking dirt is embedded in there, and I'm having a very difficult time getting it out. But this thing does help. So that stuff's gonna take forever to get out. I'm not worried about that. There's a floor mat that goes over it, so I just need to get that in this back area. Let's do an average carpet. It's not dirty. I know the light's reflecting all the ugly stuff, but right here in the middle, that's as clean as you're gonna get this carpet, and it's really clean. It's not just beating the dirt in it, it sucks the dirt out. So the first time you use the machine, the results are going to be okay, but the second time and third time, you're going to get results like this. This thing looks perfect. If I would have paid a detailer to do this and this is what I got, I'd be perfectly happy. They look perfect. There's no dirt visible anywhere that I can see, and trust me, you'll notice the dirt real fast. It'll have like a discolored area. But this seat right here took me about 2 hours to do. I had to go over it multiple times. So remember, on this one we had the real nasty stain right there. It is completely 100% gone. Passenger seat came out 100% perfect. This seat came out like 98% perfect, because it does have some wear in the stitching, and that hole right there, that hole was not there one day and then it was there the next day. It didn't give me any time. It never looked like that. 220,000 miles thing just popped up right there. So I cleaned out the dirty water tank, but don't just go empty your soapy water until the seats have dried 100%. Sure, you may have to go back and touch them up a little bit. This is the soap it came with. I haven't used that yet. I'm going to clean these up before storing them. So it's going to be a little difficult getting off your butt, especially if you got to pull the seats, but that's how you do it right. And your first time's going to be okay, second time's going to be better, but I promise you, you will learn how to clean just like the box says. I promise you. But just remember, there's a purple one with heat, hot water. I would get that one. Other than that, this machine is freaking awesome. I love it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.